What's up, my Punginos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this really awesome comparison video of these two very rugged cases. There's the Venture case from the folks at Bellroy. You've also got the rugged case from Nomad. Both of them are made out of high quality TPU polymer material that's going to give you drop protection well above the military grade. The Nomad rugged case has grooved bumpers to allow for a secure grip, tactile anodized aluminum buttons, as well as fortified with bumpers that give you 15-foot drop protection. What's nice is this design is sleek and slim and durable that is compatible with MagSafe. The Venture case is great because it uses this durable flex polymer material that is great for drop protection, insulation. That's also included with anodized aluminum buttons and the stainless steel lanyard attachment so that you can use this for a grip. There's internal ribbing for drop protection, and it comes in a bunch of different colors that you can opt into. With that said, the folks at Nomad and Bellroy both provided these products to me complimentary. This video is sponsored. The links down below do help out the channel. You can check that out for the product pricing and availability. Let's go ahead and unbox these, compare them side by side, and see what you're getting yourself into. Let's unbox one of the newest to the Bellroy family, the Venture phone case. I opted into the black. It's really clean here as it gives you well above the military drop grade protection. It's got a lanyard as well. Showing you here, the polymer case is really nice and grippy. It's got an ergonomic scratch resistant feel, which is great. You have a raised bump here for the camera. What's nice on the other side, you've got these anodized aluminum buttons and extra ergonomic protection around the corners. You have cutouts here, plus this little metal clasp for your wrist strap. You've got enhanced corner protection, as well as these little grooves in here to give you additional insulation in the event of a mishap. This is supposed to support your active lifestyle. You got that similar hardware for the power button, and then a nice cutout here for the camera control. Placing the desert titanium in here for the first time, I think it goes well with the black. You do get some extra thickness around the edges, probably a ½ an inch total. It's a little bit thicker than I'm used to, but it's not gonna push up against your screen protector, which is nice to be able to have as well. Punch outs are nice. You can see here with that anodized aluminum in the corner, it's gonna give you nice protection around your wrist. So if you are out and about, if you have this clasped to something or you're using it for making content, the buttons are nice and clicky. Access to power button and camera control are just as fine as well. Now I'm noticing it kind of raises up right against the edge of the camera control. So I'm hoping here that it isn't difficult to be able to still use. As you can see, the functions just fine there, being able to take video and whatnot. Testing the durability of the strap, it feels like it's a nice braided material here that's gonna grip around your wrist. So if you're out and about, if you're taking video, it's really nice and easy to be able to have something like this to lift up your lifestyle like that. Otherwise, this is really sleek in the hand. I kind of like it. It's really rugged in the grip. Charging and MagSafe are just fine, as well as Qi2 charging you can see there. It's gonna charge at 15 watts from this puck. You can have up to 25 for the 16 Pro Max. And lastly, my favorite is the SnapGrip. Now you do have kind of a raised bum here on the back side. I'm hoping that doesn't impede here on the SnapGrip. It doesn't look like it, but it may reduce its magnetism. Unboxing the rugged case here is pretty straightforward. I like how they've got a case that can be recycled, made out of materials that are carbon neutral. With that said, the case itself looks really sleek in the hand. I really like how you've got this TPU bumper all the way around the entire case. It's got a polycarbonate core with magnets in here that make for a really strong magnetic hold. You got cutouts here for the IO. You've got a nice wrist strap there, which is nice. You got a nice cutout here for the camera control button, the anodized aluminum button here that's nice and rigid for the power button. Action button's nice and rigid, as well as these nice soft aluminum buttons for the volume rocker. It looks really sleek in the hand. I like how the grooves are. You got this nice microfiber inlay, and then these little pockets here that make for a really nice insulated protection for the case. And it's like cork feeling here on the inside. Placing it in for the first time, going from the bottom to the top, you can see that it adds about a 1/4 of an inch thickness, which is gonna give you that nice insulation around it. On the back side here, you can see the case is really high quality. I really like that, juxtaposed against the desert titanium. I opted into the desert color to match that, and it's just really clean and nice in the hand. MagSafe compatibility, throwing this on here. This is the old Apple battery. The battery itself is really nice, is sleek, and clicks on there. Or if you wanted to have a Qi2 charging up to the standard now that the iPhone is able to do, you can throw that on the back there and that starts charging. you can see the MagSafe animation as well. My biggest gripe here though is this cutout for the camera control. My biggest issue here was having to activate and then still being able to use it. It took the entirety of the pad of my finger for me to be able to control, but you can still be able to do it, take pictures and scroll out of it. But as you can see here, you're losing some of that real estate because of the case itself. Here they are side by side. We've got the Rugged from Nomad and we got the Venture from the folks at Bellroy. Both of these are really clean material. You got these TPU cases. They're a polymer plastic that's gonna give you nice drop protection as well as insulation and ergonomic grip. They're both fashioned with anodized aluminum buttons. They got these like indent grooves on the sides to give you grip. You have a little area here for a strap, whereas the Venture does come with a strap. You can see that it just looks really clean around the edges. You got a little bit extra protection around these corners from the folks at Nomad, included with their AeroShock technology on the inside. On this side here, you've got cutouts for your camera control and you got the similar fashioned hardware for the power button. Both of them have more protection. They're not just chucked out. I really like how you got an actual edge here next to the button, as opposed to some of the other competitors. Cutouts on the bottom side here for your I/O. And both of them are MagSafe compatible, which is nice. So if you wanted to have something like the SnapGrip or the Anker 625 to give you charging on the go, you got both of those options here as well. Deciding on which case is gonna be difficult in my opinion. With that said, I think the verdict is very difficult on this one. It really could lean either way depending on your preference. For me, it's the small details, and I had an issue here with this case being so easy to take off. I really don't like how the Venture case was sliding there, and it just gives me less confidence that in the event of a mishap, that this does pop off instead of protecting your phone. I really like how the Nomad has this really awesome TPU case that is very secure, very grippy, fashioned with anodized buttons, and has this really sleek grip and cutouts here for all of the different functions. Well, it didn't come with a nice lanyard and it doesn't have that stainless steel corner there. I still think as far as function and utility, the Nomad definitely wins this one. With that said, you let me know which one you opted into and chose. Both of these companies did provide these to me complimentary, and this video is sponsored. I'll have their links with the affiliate codes down below that do help out the channel. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.